Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're diving deep into a concept that's revolutionizing modern homes, the living kitchen combo design inspiration. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. If you're looking to maximize your space and create a truly social hub, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, let's address the fundamental question. What exactly is a living kitchen combo design? Simply put, it's the seamless integration of your kitchen and living area into a single open-plan space. This design philosophy breaks down traditional walls, fostering a more connected and communal atmosphere. Instead of separate confined rooms, you get a fluid, multifunctional area that serves as the heart of your home. This approach is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a lifestyle that prioritizes interaction and flexibility. It's about making everyday living more enjoyable and efficient. Now, you might be wondering, what are the tangible benefits of designing a living kitchen combo area? Well, the advantages are numerous. Primarily, it enhances social interaction. Whether you're cooking, entertaining, or simply relaxing, you're always part of the action. This design promotes a sense of togetherness, making it perfect for families and those who love to. Secondly, it maximizes space. Open-plan layouts make smaller homes feel larger and more airy. By eliminating unnecessary walls, you create a sense of spaciousness that traditional designs simply can't match. Thirdly, it improves natural light flow. With fewer barriers, light can permeate the entire space, creating a brighter and more inviting environment. Finally, it increases versatility. This layout allows you to easily adapt the space to different activities, from casual family dinners to large social gatherings. Alright, let's get into the practical side. How do you design a living kitchen combo area to look good? This is where the magic happens. First, consider the layout. You need to create a cohesive flow between the kitchen and living areas. Think about the placement of your furniture and appliances to ensure a smooth transition. Zoning is also crucial. Define distinct zones within the open space using rugs, lighting, and furniture arrangements. For instance, a large area rug can delineate the living area, while pendant lights can highlight the kitchen island. Consistency and style is essential. Choose a cohesive color palette and design theme that ties the two areas together. This doesn't mean everything has to match perfectly, but there should be a harmonious blend of elements. Finally, don't neglect storage. Integrated storage solutions like built-in cabinets and shelving can help keep the space clutter-free and organized. Now, let's talk about the essential elements. What are the best items for a living kitchen combo design? The right furniture and accessories can make or break your design. A large kitchen island is a must-have. It serves as a focal point, providing ample workspace and seating. Comfortable seating is another key element. Invest in a stylish and comfortable sofa and chairs for the living area. Statement lighting can add drama and visual interest. Consider pendant lights over the island or a chandelier in the living area. Rugs are essential for defining zones and adding texture. Choose rugs that complement your overall design. Integrated appliances create a seamless look and save space. Built-in refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers can help maintain a clean and streamlined aesthetic. Lastly, don't forget about decor. Plants, artwork, and decorative accessories can add personality and warmth to the space. Now let's dive into some specific design ideas. Here are 10 best living kitchen combo design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Minimalist Marvel. Clean lines, neutral colors, and hidden storage create a sleek and uncluttered space. Think white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and minimalist furniture. 2. The Rustic Charm. Incorporate natural materials like wood and stone to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Exposed beams, wooden countertops, and rustic furniture are key elements. 3. The Industrial Edge. Combine raw materials like metal and concrete with modern finishes for an edgy and urban look. Exposed brick walls, metal shelving, and industrial-style lighting are essential. 4. The Scandinavian Sanctuary. Focus on light, airy spaces with natural light and pale colors. Lightwood furniture, white walls, and cozy textiles create a serene and calming environment. 5. The Coastal Retreat. Use light blues, whites, and natural textures to evoke a beachy vibe. Woven rugs, nautical decor, and lightwood furniture are perfect for this style. 6. The Modern Luxe. Combine high-end finishes with contemporary furniture for a sophisticated and elegant look. Marble countertops, gold accents, and plush seating create a luxurious feel. 7. The Bohemian Blend. Mix and match patterns, textures, and colors for a vibrant and eclectic space. Think colorful rugs, patterned pillows, and vintage furniture. 8. The Farmhouse Fusion. Combine rustic elements with modern conveniences for a cozy and functional space. Shiplap walls, farmhouse sinks, and vintage-inspired lighting are key. 9. The Compact Champion. Maximize space in a small living kitchen combo with clever storage solutions and multifunctional furniture. Built-in shelving, foldable tables, and compact appliances are essential. 10. The Garden Oasis. Bring the outdoors in with large windows, indoor plants, and natural materials. This design creates a refreshing and vibrant living space. In conclusion, the living kitchen combo design is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice. By carefully planning your layout, choosing the right furniture and accessories, and incorporating your personal style, you can create a space that's both beautiful and functional. Remember to prioritize flow, consistency, and storage to maximize the benefits of this design. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which design idea is your favorite. And as always, thank you for watching.